What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and self-host N8N on Hostinger. Now, the reason you're going to want to do this is because of the cost. Okay, so our KVM2 here to host our N8N with the virtual private server is $6.99 US a month. If you come over to N8N's plan, where you actually host it on their servers, it is 20 euros per month, which is about 31 Canadian. And you only get 2.5K workflow executions, and if you step it up, you can pay $50 for 10K. Now, when you self-host it with Hostinger, you actually get unlimited workflow executions. So you don't have to worry about, how many you're doing and have that. You get that peace of mind essentially when you self-host it. So that's why I do it. I'm going to show you how to do it today. So we come over here to hostinger.com/VPS-hosting, or type in Hostinger VPS on Google, select that, choose our plan. I choose KVM2 because you get double the memory. And so I'm going to go with KVM2 here for $2 extra. And you can select 12 months, 24 months, whatever you'd like. And we're saving a ton of money here through going through Hostinger, okay? The server you're going to select is whatever one is best for you. The US is best for me. And for the OS, you just type in N8N and you select N8N here. All right. And then all you do here is continue, pay with your credit card. And then once you are in Hostinger, you'll see all these options on the left, okay? You're going to select VPS. And then once you pay, you will have your own virtual private server here. So we're going to go here and select manage. Okay. And once you're here, to access N8N, just go manage app and you sign in right here. And here's my workflows, and you guys will have a blank slate if you're just getting started, but you just come over to here and create a workflow, and then you can start using N8N through Hostinger. By the way, guys, I just started a free Skool community called AI Automations Club, and I'd love to see you in there if you're an AI enthusiast and want to learn more about AI. I'll leave the link in the description below. Okay, so it's really not that difficult, and it saves you a lot of money. And I'm also going to put the link in the description and link right here to actually update your N8N through Hostinger. That is one thing you have to keep in mind, is if you're self-hosting, you have to update your own N8N on your hosted server, okay? And so there you go, guys. Now you have Hostinger up and running on your VPS, and I'll see you guys in the next video.